Speaking Leader, Unit 6, Building Trust. Pronunciation. This video will practice the pronunciation of the B and V sounds. B and V. Listen to the following words, how they're pronounced, and repeat after each one. Bat, that. Berry, very. Boat, vote. Ban, van. Bet, vet. Best, vest. Donald Trump's boat, Donald Trump's vote. Listen to and repeat these words. B. Boundaries. Belief. Balance. Bond. Bravery. Bridge. Better. V. Vulnerability. Values. Valid. Vision. Vigilance. Virtue. Now listen to the following sentences and repeat, focusing on correctly saying the B and V sounds. The venture capitalist Nell Daly has a mission to make women big in business. She used to be a social worker, helping victims of domestic abuse and violence. Her approach to business is more like a vengeful god rather than an angel investor. Women can no longer build trust with men who do deals on golf courses or in bars. You're more likely to make your money back if you invest in women. It's just very good business. The British Business Bank found equity investment in female-led businesses stayed static over the past decade.